received my Ipsy Glam bag yesterday, June 12th, but I was so tired after work. I just didn't have the energy to film. So let's see what is in this glam bag for June 2023. Here's our little bag. How cute is she? Not my favorite, but it's pretty cute. Like fun, I guess, for summer. The colors inside, this is what it looks like. Nice material. So the first item is this lip oil. This I think is Beautyco, Unfiltered Beautyco. This is a Pout Potion Lip Oil. How cute does that look? And if you're new, just want to let you know I already did my Ipsy X BoxyCharm or just BoxyCharm video, the old glam bag plus. So if you want to see that, I already have it up on my channel. So this is pretty cool. I will do individual videos trying these out. Here is this face wash. This is from Philosophy, is the Micro Delivery Exfoliating Daily Face Wash. I got a mini face wash as well last month. I really enjoyed it. It was beautiful for oily skin. The brand is Byroy. This one. Do you just hate like when you open these things and you get the product all over your mouth and you're like, didn't happen this time, I'm just saying. Okay. Pretty nice. I think it's scented a little, but try this and see how well this is for oily skin. I got some on my hands and you can feel like the scrub is exfoliating. The same as the other that I got last month. Brush. This makeup brush from here. Wing Me. And it's the 60 brush. 60. Really cool. I've never had a brush in this shape, so I'm wondering like if I would use it for the eye, maybe for concealer. I mean, they're specifically made for something, but you can use it for whatever you like. It doesn't matter. So I don't know where I would prefer to use this. Again, never received one in that shape. Next is this. How gorgeous is this packaging? Gorgeous is that packaging. This is by Nanette Lepore, and this is Luna Body Lotion, a 1 ounce, and it says it has coconut oil. Smelling this, I don't know why, I really enjoy it, and I'm glad because like if the packaging is so cute and then it wasn't gonna smell good, that would have been depressing. But I'm sure not everybody's gonna like it, but I like it. It's not like anything I own. So good. To me it smells like Luxe. I don't know. And I got this from Estate. You know, they love sending Estate. It's a beautiful highlight. This is in the shade, does it say the shade? Lunar. Say like it's like a champagne. So I can't wait to try that out. That is all for the video. Let me know, what did you get? Did you like this month's bag? And will you keep your subscription? Or did you stay only with the BoxyCharm? Let me know. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.